Good morning, students. Today we are going to study about the days of national importance. Let's start. Today we are going to study about Day of National Importance. Day of National Importance like Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti, Children's Day, etc. So, what you can see in this picture? In this picture, you can see the celebration of our Independence Day. What is Independence Day? India got independence on 15th August 1947. Our nation, India, got independence from British on 15th August 1947. To renewing the memory of this, we celebrate Independence Day. To renewing this memory, the independence memory, we celebrating the Independence Day. In that day, we hoist the national flag and distribute sweets. To celebrate this day, we unfold the national flag and distribute sweets. On the Independence Day, all of us take the oath to preserve the independence of our country. The all Indians take the oath to preserve the independence of our country. Then, what is this picture? This picture regarding to the Republic Day celebration. What is mean by Republic Day? Our constitution came into effect on 26 January 1950. What is mean by constitution? Paranagadana. So our constitution came effect on 26th January 1950. Therefore, we celebrate 26th January each year as Republic Day. We hoist the national flag on that day. So, we celebrate the Republic Day on 26th January 1950 because of the constitution came into effect on that day. Then, what is this? Who is this picture? Is Gandhiji, the father of nation. What is mean by Gandhi Jayanti? Mahatma Gandhi is the father of our nation. His birthday is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti. It is on October 2nd. On that day, we perform service activities in the remembering of Mahatma. So, we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on October 2nd. On that day, we perform the service activities in remembrance of Mahatma Gandhi. So, we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on October 2nd. October 2nd is the birthday of Gandhiji. Then, what is this? This is about the Children's Day. What is Children's Day? The birthday of our first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru is celebrated on November 14th as Children's Day. The Jawaharlal Nehru loves the children very much. So, we celebrate the Nehru's birthday as Children's Day. His birthday on November 14th. So, we studied about the national days, important national days. The first one, Independence Day. We celebrate that Independence Day on 15th August 1947. Then Republic Day. We celebrate Republic Day on 26th January 1950. the Gandhi Jayanti on October 2nd and the Children's Day on. So, in this part we discussed it about Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti and also the Children's Day. So, all should read the textbook and write the note and study well. Thank you.